Hello everybody, welcome to the Chubby Gourmet. If you're new here, welcome to our family. I hope you enjoy what you see today. Today we're going to be making a Thai shrimp coconut soup. Now, 1 second.
Hey, hello.
Hey, Julie.
How are you?
Oh, funny seeing you here. We're actually shooting an episode.
What are you doing?
I'm going to make a Thai coconut soup. Hey, I got an idea.
What?
I need some encouragement, so you could be my cheerleader today and cheer me on, keep track of the time for me. I'm going to try to make it in 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yes.
You can do it?
I'm the Chubby Gourmet. I can do anything.
Yeah, I forgot. Okay.
I've never done something in a hurry before.
Okay.
I'm trying to show people they can make something delicious and it's not time consuming. So I'm going to try to do it in 5 minutes. That doesn't mean you out there have to do it that fast. There's no point of rushing. I'm just trying to accept the challenge of doing it in 5. So I can use all the encouragement that I can get.
Perfect.
If you like what you see, if you like the fun that we're most likely going to have, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and smash that damn notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload new content. First thing we're gonna do, grated garlic, which I got the minced garlic already. I'm gonna grate some ginger. I'm gonna grate some lemongrass. We're gonna do that first. Julie, start the timer.
Go. Come on, Chubby. This is lemongrass?
This is lemongrass, yes. I have had better lemongrass in my day, so this is gonna have to do. Oh, I can smell the lemon already in the lemongrass.
4 minutes.
Oh no, I've used a minute already?
Yeah.
Haven't even done anything yet.
Chubby Gourmet can do it.
If I can't do it, nobody can.
This is ginger?
This is ginger root, yes.
Ginger.
Ouch, I just cut myself. Knew that was coming. Well, I'm grating the ginger a little bit more. How am I doing on time, Jules?
2:41.
Oh my God. Doesn't look good, folks, doesn't look good.
It's half time. Oh.
Add a couple tablespoons of grapeseed oil and the equivalent of about 5 to 6 minced garlic cloves.
Come on, Chubby Gourmet. You can do it.
You can smell the aromatics already.
In the comments, you say, see, Chubby Gourmet can do it or not.
I'm gonna put in a couple tablespoons of brown sugar,
1:20 minutes.
3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Already smelling delicious.
The last 1 minute. Oh my God.
Put in a couple of teaspoons of the Madras curry powder.
Come on, Chubby Gourmet.
3 teaspoons of ground coriander. 1, 2, 3.
30 seconds. 8, 7, 5, 4.
And some Thai chili.
Finish it.
Wait, let's see how close I am. I'm using chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock as well. About 2.5 cups. And 1 can of coconut milk. Bring this to a boil. And I'm gonna put in some zest of a lime, since it is a Thai dish. I am using frozen pre-cooked shrimp. If your shrimp is not pre-cooked, obviously you have to cook it first. I recommend you saute this just a couple of minutes. You don't have to cook it all the way through. Saute it in the oil first. Remove the shrimp, then add your aromatics. So we'll wait for this guy to come up. There's our 5 minutes right there, just waiting for this stove to come to temperature. Well, you can edit that. It helps to have better equipment, actually. Once this comes to temperature, I'll throw the shrimp in, and it's already pre-cooked, so just heat it all up and we're good to plate it. Actually, I might as well get some plates while I'm waiting. And we will garnish with some hot pepper, some cilantro at the end.
I'm hungry, Chubby Gourmet. I'm very hungry.
I'm going to throw in the pretty stuff now. Some hot pepper. Isn't it pretty?
Dun, dun, dun.
Wah, wah, wah.
Challenge fair.
The recipe is still valid. here it is. It didn't happen in 5 minutes. It happened in more like 14 minutes, I believe. Hey, I saw that. We learned a lot, how we could have accelerated it, but the dish still hopefully came out tasty. It smells the kitchen up very nicely. So we're gonna try it again with other recipes as well. This isn't the first. Well, it's the first, it's not the last, I should say. You know what I mean.
Oh, I can.
Sure. Your health insurance paid up?
Oh, you think it's spicy?
Well, it's definitely Thai tasting. Not enough lemongrass, which was a challenge getting lemongrass. But how's the flavor?
But I would thought it was spicy.
Too hot?
Yeah, picante.
No te gusta?
No me lo esperaba.
You want less?
Yeah.
Julie is part Thai, by the way. I would listen to her criticism. Yeah, it does have a little punch to it. The Madras curry powder isn't like plain curry powder. It's a little spicy. Chopped habanero for a chili. I didn't have Thai chilies, which adds more heat. That would explain why it's a little spicy. But we've had some Thai food that's been very spicy before, where the waitress told us when I asked for the hottest they can do, she said I was going to sweat blood. I'm gonna bleed. I'm gonna sweat blood, she said.
You're going to bleed, yeah.
And she wasn't joking. So that's another Thai episode, which is quite entertaining. And Julie is going to be joining us. I'm not saying which Latin American country is coming up very soon, but she's going to be joining us on that tour. Please stay tuned. We have some great stuff ahead planned. Authentic, little spicy.
Little spicy.
And we didn't quite do it in 5. 5 was aggressive in the first place, but we had fun trying. At least I know I did. If you like what you see, please hit that like. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you get updates. And until next time, hasta lasagna.